Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi option is not showing in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi option is not showing or your Wi-Fi is not working, here you can see that I haven't any Wi-Fi option here, and so I have Bluetooth, airplane, and every other option instead Wi-Fi. So let's see how can you fix this here. You just have to simply go through your settings app, not through this. Just go to search and then go to settings. Now in your settings, the very first thing you can try to go to Windows Update, and here you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update. If you find any kind of pending update here, just try to update your Windows, then go to Home, and here you just have to simply search for Troubleshoot. So you can search for Troubleshoot settings and just click on other troubleshooters. You must see Wi-Fi option here or network and internet. Just click on run. So it will run a troubleshooter to check your network and internet settings. So it will show you if there will be any options. So if your Wi-Fi adapter is not working well, so you must see the option that your Wi-Fi adapter is not working, or if you must see this type option that your Wi-Fi network adapter is disabled, so it can be easily fixed by a simple trick. So very first just close settings and then relaunch your settings app. Go to settings and here just wait for some loading. Then click on network and internet. Just scroll down and click on advanced network settings, and here you will see the option of Wi-Fi. Just click on this and then click on enable. So once you have enabled, it might take a few moments. Sometimes it might take 5 to 10 seconds. So once it's done, you can see that Wi-Fi is shown here and it's already connected. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi is not showing or it's not working in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.